Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm going to do a pour with some different colors this time. I'm going to try to do something a little different. I am going to use white for my base, which is Artist Lofts Acrylic Flow White, and Floetrol. It's kind of thick here, a little bit, and some water to get it to where I want it to be. I apologize. I thought I had it good, but now that it was sitting here a little bit, it feels on the thicker side. Most of my paints are, I usually do like 2 parts, 3 parts of Floetrol to 1 part of paint. And then I also have some Liquitex gloss pouring medium as well, and then a little bit of water to thin down to as I need. It really varies. Every paint is different. Some paints are a little more fluid, so you don't need to use. I don't use as much Floetrol. It just really varies. So let me pour this down here. Just gonna kind of spread it out some. I'm using a 20 by 20 inch canvas, Artist Lofts canvas. Thought I seen something here. Try to get those goobs out while you can. I apologize for the dirty table. I have been doing a lot of painting. I'm trying to get some paintings caught up on, so I have some saved just in case I don't get a chance to do much painting during the week. I like to have some backed up so that way, because I like to put out a painting on Sundays and Wednesdays, and then sometimes if I do collaborations, I have like an extra video somewhere along the line or on those days. And so I just like to have some left over for just in case I don't get a chance to do much painting during the week. Just for my regular posts. I'm having a lot of fun doing all the different collaborations. It's actually been giving me an opportunity to challenge myself to some different pours that I wouldn't normally do. But has been really fun though, because it's, you know, get you out of your comfort zone, try something new. You never know, you might like it. I know I like to do shmearing, which I learned from the queen of shmears, Gail Burstyn from Life and Splatters. If you don't know who she is, go and check her out, because her paintings are just amazing. There's just not a whole lot you can say about how awesome they are. Very abstract, which I love. Very creative, really fun, and she very talented. She also does photography, and gosh, she can take amazing pictures. I've seen some of her pictures on Facebook and stuff, and they're just absolutely stunning, stunning, stunning. But yeah, if you get a chance to go check her out, please do check her out, because she's fabulous. And so she's the Shmear queen. So I learned from watching all her videos, continuing to learn, because I'm nowhere near her talent. But it's been really fun trying different things. I have a collaboration coming up. I don't know if this one will be posted before or after that one. It's on the 14th of July. have to do a flower pour, and I have never ever done one. So I need to start working on that. I don't know if this video will come out before or after that, but that's with 4 other ladies. Yeah, I'll put all their information in the description that day on the 14th. So if this is after, you can go back and check out that date for that video of mine, and then all of the ladies' links will be in the description on that day. Camille and Nicole and Rose, it was really fun because we each challenged each other. So I figured out a order that we could go into for where everybody lived and everything, and then like Camille picks mine, I pick Rose's, Rose picks Nicole's, and Nicole will pick Camille's, and nobody knows what we're doing until the day that we do the pour, which is going to be exciting to see what everybody else is going to be doing. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about doing mine. I probably shouldn't have said what I'm doing. I just thought of that in case this video goes on before, but anyway, my bad. So I am using the colors that I'm using. This one, Arteza Bordeaux Red, makes me think of Sarah Mack every time I use this, because she told me that this was her favorite color, and it is a beautiful color. It's just such a deep, I don't know if you really would call it burgundy red, but it's beautiful, beautiful color. I'm using Arteza's Pearl Electric Blue, Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet, and Arteza's Prussian Blue. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Deco Arts 24 karat gold, but a little bit. And then for my Shmear, I'm going to use Amsterdam's Acrylic Float White. But I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet. I'm just going to kind of pour some and see what happens here.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
I wish this one down here was a little bit more opened up like that one because it is so white, but I like it though. I like this. I like it to about here. And then I'm not so thrilled about it. Let's see if we can move some of that off of there. Much better. I like that. I do like that a lot better. That was just too much. And I like how the lines are now too. That's pretty cool. This one's really cool. Simple. Make sure you get your drips. I get there where I just touch them with my hand. I put it on there, I was literally missing the whole spot. Alright, I'm gonna bring it down for a close up here. Look at this spot. Sorry, I'm just trying to turn my lights off. Miss Pink is over there waiting by the door, ready to get out. But see, I really like this a lot better because it opened that up. Before it was like so white on top, like you could barely see it. But I think it's pretty cool. That Bordeaux red is so gorgeous, and look at it with that next to that 24 karat gold in Prussian blue. Yes, I love it. Look at that shimmer. Even the electric blue, pearl electric blue, has got some shimmer in it. Look at those beautiful cells. See how that is right there? Like, I don't mind it a little bit, but like, it was like literally this whole spot. So I definitely like this a lot better. See how pretty that is. But I thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Look at those funky cells. You will like and subscribe and share. All that fun jazz. I do appreciate y'all so much. And I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. And yeah. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye. Hey, everybody. Here's a little diptych that I did with the same colors as this, the painting that I'm posting today. And I did a video with the diptych as well, but I don't know where it went. It went off into Video Wonderland because I can't find it anywhere. So, unfortunately, I don't have a video for this one, and I'm so bummed because I really, really, really like how this one turned out. I don't do a lot of diptychs, but I love it. And then it has the same colors as the painting that I'm posting today, which is on the 20 by 20. Alrighty, thanks everybody for watching. Hopefully everybody's healthy and safe from COVID and just healthy in general. I appreciate you all so much. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.